Hi there! Today we're going to have a go at doing some maths. So hopefully you all went away yesterday after our lesson and made a number line. Could you show me your number lines now? Ooh, some good ones. Oscar's is just a plain one at the moment. We didn't get around to putting any pictures on it, but he's got his number 0 to 20 and that's the most important thing. And today he's got a chick. Can you show everybody your chick? So he's got a chick to use as his counter. Hopefully you've got something, maybe you've got 2 pence or a little tiny toy or something that will fit in your boxes along the bottom because you need to put them into those boxes there. So let's just have a quick test. Can you put your object, whatever it is you've got, into the number 12? Can you find number 12? Yeah, perfect. So you should have stopped on the number 12. A 1 and a 2 makes 12. Just one more check before we get on with it. Can you find a number 19? 19. Hop your thing to 19. Perfect. Can you put your number line on the table? Then it won't fall off. All the way along. There we go. 19. 19 is a 1 and a 9. Fantastic if you got that one right. Well done. Okay. So in today's lesson, we're going to be using the number line to help with our adds. So often we're good, Oscar. Often we're good at using our own minds and our fingers or getting lots of things to do our adding. But as we get harder sums, it needs to be really good. It's a good idea to then starting to use a number line. So we're going to use these to do our adding sums. So if I was to give you the sum of, I'm going to write it and see if you can remember what the symbols mean. If I write, what does that mean? Say it out loud.
6 add 3
What does that mean?
equals.
6 add 3 equals. So I know that lots of you will be able to go, right, 6 is the biggest number, 3 more, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we're going to start to do that kind of maths by just using a number line as well, just so we can learn how to do it before we get onto some trickier sums. So which is the biggest number, the 6 or the 3?
6.
6. So if you put your counter in the number 6.
It's number 6.
Find number 6. Pop it into number 6.
6.
Grown-ups, if you just check that they've put it in the right place, because if they haven't, then I'll get the number wrong anyway. So 6. And then, how many is the smallest number in the sum?
3.
3. So we're going to jump 3 spaces. Make sure you jump 3. You don't count that as a jump. The 6 isn't a jump. You jump across to 7 like you're on a board game. So go 3 jumps and see what you end up at.
1, 2, 3.
What did you end up at?
9.
9. Did you all land on the number 9? Yes, that means you got it right. Give yourselves a round of applause. So we know that 6 add 3 equals 9. So 6 add 3 equals 9. If you got that right, there we go. Ticks for you. The next sum I'm going to give you then is going to be 9, seeing as you're already there. 9 add 6. So which is the biggest number in the 9 add 6? 9. So check your object is in the number 9 box.
9.
And then how many are we going to add on?
6.
6. So do 6 jumps along the number line. So 9
1,
and 6
2,
more.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, give people a little bit more time. You were very quick at your jumping. And then 6. Hide your answer so nobody else can see it. What was the final answer?
15.
15. How do I write 15?
1 and 5.
A 1 and a 5. So 9 add 6 equals 15. Did you get both of them right so far? Wow, give yourselves a dinosaur clap. Okay, one more with just me writing, then you're going to have a go at doing some of your own writing for your sums. So this time I want you to start going to be this number. So what's the sum, Oscar?
11 add 7.
So what do we do first? Where do we put our chick? Where do we put our chick? Have a look at the sum. 11 add 7. Where do we put our chick to start with?
11.
11 because it's the biggest number. So put it into the biggest number. And how many is it going to add on?
7.
7. So if you do that 11
2,
and then
3,
add on 7.
4, 5. No. 11, 12, 13,
Oh,
14.
what are we doing? Go to 11 and you're going to add on 7.
11,
We don't need to say 11 or 12. Just put it into 11 and add on 7. How many are you going to count to? Count out loud for me.
1,
No. Go to 11. And you're going to add on 7. So move 7 jumps, like you've rolled the dice in the game.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go back to 11. How many are we adding on to 11? Have a look at the sum.
7.
So why do you keep stopping when you've done 4? We're adding 7, aren't we? So go back to 11. And how many are you adding on?
7.
So move on 7.
1, 2, no, 11, 12.
No. Don't count from 11. 11's already there. You're already on 11. We're going to add on 7. So do 7 jumps. Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Do you see what you did then, Oscar? You did 7, add to 11. If you'd have counted on, then you'd have got the wrong answer, wouldn't you? If you'd have started going 11, 12, 13, 14, because we just wanted to add on 7. So we start from the beginning. So 7 jumps took you to what, Oscar? 18. I bet did you get there a bit faster than Oscar this time? Thank you for waiting for us. 11, add 7. How do I write 18?
1 and an 8.
1 and an 8. I'm going to do one more out loud with Oscar because I think he needs a little bit more help. But if you think that you can do this next one with no help from me, turn the volume off so you can't hear me helping Oscar. The sum that I'm going to get Oscar to do, and I'm going to help Oscar and anyone else that needs it. I would like it to be, are you ready, Oscar? Concentrate. I would like it to be... this pen. I'm not very good with these chisel tip pens. So what's the sum?
8 and 6.
So which is the biggest number?
8.
So where do you need to put your chick?
That's 8.
And what are we going to add on? Quickly, put him in 8. What are we adding on? 6. So we don't need to remember 8 anymore. We've done that part. Now we're just adding 6 moves. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And what was the answer? Pardon?
14.
14. How do I write 14?
1 and a 4.
A 1 and a 4. So 8 add 6 equals 14. This time, I'm not going to say anything at all, okay? I want you to write the sum in your books or on your paper, and only when I say ka-ching, I'll say show me, and then I want you to ka-ching it at the screen so I can see your sum and your answer. So try and work it out by yourself. So Oscar, are you ready to write the sum down? Because you have to write the sum and also the answer. Have you got a pencil? Okay, so your sum, which you all need to write down. Make sure your numbers are the right way round. Okay, have a go at that one. And I'm going to hide. Make sure you use your number lines. Don't use your heads even if you know the answer. I need to see that you can work out how to use the number lines. If you've done a sum, Oscar, use a number line to work out the answer. So think where you're going to put your chick and what you're going to add on. Oscar, where are you going to put your chick?
At 6.
Don't tell everyone, just do it. And how many do you have to jump on? Put your answer. 5 seconds left, everyone. And then I want you to continue them at the screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching! Can I see those sums? Wow! I think everybody's got that one right. Does yours match Oscar's? 6 add 4 equals 10. Great! Well done! Give yourselves a round of applause. We'll do one more with me, and then you're going to have a go at doing 5 with your grown-ups at home, okay? Are we ready for the last one with me? Let's see if you can beat Oscar. He's your timer, okay? Oscar, you ready? Get ready. He was a bit slow, wasn't he? He wrote his sum, and then he didn't do his number line. Are you ready, Oscar? Yeah. You're trying to beat everybody at home, okay? Are you ready? This is our sum. It's going to be Ready, steady, go! So when you've run your sum, everybody, remember to get your object. Think which is the biggest number and put your object there. And then think how many spaces you need to move it on. Because remember, we count on when we're adding. You got your answer, Oscar?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 seconds for everyone else. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching me them at the screen! Ka-ching! Oh, Oscar, you're missing something. You're missing part of your sum. And someone else is at home as well, I can see. You're missing something. Always remembered it. Does your sum look like this? 8 add 5 equals
13.
13. And make sure your 3 is the right way around, Oscar Joseph Mitchell. Because at the moment yours doesn't say 13. Yours says imaginary number. Change it to make it say 13. Doesn't say 13. It's backwards. Okay, have a go at home. See if you can come up with 5 of your own sums and work out the answers using your number line and send me the pictures of your maths onto Evidence Me. Have a good time and we'll see you later. Bye.